What's up, YouTube?
Don't remember to like and subscribe to this video. My channel is Mark Arms, and it's the one with the fish. It's the one with the fish avatar.
Like I said, just subscribe to him. He's amazing.
Okay, so what is this video gonna be about?
We're gonna play a game one-on-one. First to 10 wins. We're gonna shoot for it. Your guess? You shoot.
This isn't on the screen, but I'm gonna be shooting behind the track.
And the air ball. Now it's my turn. Go. Right here. Okay, obviously, I missed it.
So, do I get to change that or do I change that?
Okay. Okay, what's that?
I tricked it.
Now I'm gonna shoot about,
This is probably
this is about,
10.
about 6 feet in front of the NBA three-point line. So here we go.
Oh.
Okay, that got really close, but missed.
Okay, I'm just gonna do a simple three from over here.
It's gonna be a simple three. And he got really close on that one.
Closer than his.
Now, I'm gonna shoot from the same exact spot I just did. Actually, no, I'm gonna shoot the three-pointer again.
This is the longest shootout I have ever seen.
Keep on getting close. Can't make it.
Okay, right here.
Subscribe to my channel.
I already said that.
I said subscribe to my channel.
I know, I already said that.
Hey. Okay. It's my third attempt from this spot. That was my dog barking, don't worry. Man.
Again with the simple, actually no, I'm gonna be right here.
Okay, he makes it. Now I gotta match it. If I miss it, he gets ball first.
Let's see it. Does he make it? And yeah!
Okay, he gets ball first. Let's do this. First to 10. Your ball first. Go.
Check it.
Rejection. I'm rusty. I have not been out here in a while.
Shot and it's protected. Of course.
3-pointer.
Point City.
I'm up 3-0.
2, if it's free ball.
Okay, well 2-0. Now you six. Wow! He gets it over me.
1 point.
2-1.
Ow.
He can't catch.
Yeah, I can't. 2-2. 2-2-2. 2-2-2. I'm gonna embarrass myself as well. I want to.
Bang!
3.
Take it done.
Things going up on a Tuesday.
That's how you get it done, man. Let's go.
Whew. Wow.
That is out of bounds.
Go get it quickly. I mean,
That's out of bounds on him, my ball. I hate this fence so much. Thank God didn't have dog crap on it.
that's foul.
Okay. I got lucky. When he got lucky and missed the shot, he shoots. Out of bounds.
You guys almost got hit. It's my ball.
No, you just shot it.
Yeah, and then you tipped it.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
I
you did.
didn't hit that whatsoever.
3.2. Well, technically it's 2.2.
5-2. I'm up. You can't do that.
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Yeah, that just means
Okay. Supposedly a kickball violation on me. Let's recheck.
Usually fouls are free checks in the street ball.
Out of bounds on him.
Stop running.
My ball.
away.
Just so you know, his name's Trey, my name's JC. I'm winning 5-2. You all shooting on me. This is my YouTube channel. I just made him do a complete 360.
Hi.
Six to 2. I need 4 points to win.
Just to be secretive, I think he's gonna win.
I don't know. I have no idea what he just said, so hope you all do.
Woo! Wow. Ah! Here's where he comes. No, stay away.
So 6 to 2.
I hate landing on rocks.
Man, I'll just kill the shot.
Wow.
Air ball by him.
Just so I can shut my mouth.
Yeah, that's another 3 by me.
Then you're getting it.
8-2, I'm up.
Tony Thomas and Terry Lex. Yeah,
8-3.
nothing but net.
That should have gone in.
That should have gone in. Tony Carson, there you are.
That game, I won 10-2. Thanks for watching. Peace.